Bushra Alvera, Assistant Professor in Department of Education B.Ed in Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. Today we will discuss a topic of B.Ed first semester, that is what are the various qualities of a good teacher, or you can become how you can become a good teacher, an outstanding teacher. So before starting this we will discuss what is education. So education is basically all round development of an individual. Before becoming a good teacher, one should become a good person also. So the first quality of a good teacher is expert communication skills. So if a teacher's communication skill like verbal, non-verbal, visual, which involves speaking, writing, imaginary, body language, and the organization of ideas into understandable structures are good, they can convey knowledge with better skill and results. They will often paraphrase, illustrate, or take another tact entirely when it becomes apparent that their communication has fallen flat or has not reached or connected to the entire class. A good teacher notices when even one student among many does not understand and makes an effort to communicate individually when necessary. Communication also involves explaining exactly what the assignments and expectations are. When students fully understand what is expected of them, it must be easier for them to deliver. Now, come to the next quality that a teacher needs to become an outstanding teacher or a good teacher, that is superior listening skill. If one listen properly, then only he can understand better. The effective communication only happens when at least two parties are actively involved in the process together, and the only way to know if communication is heard is by asking, or you can say listening the answers. In an ideal learning environment, teachers ask important questions and then actively, carefully, empathetically listen what learners have to say. When good teachers develop this patient quality in themselves, they start to become a great teacher listen hard and then use what they hear to improve the communication. Now come to the third quality of a good teacher, and this is deep knowledge of and understanding and passion for subject matter. If a teacher lacks good knowledge in a subject, that lacks of understanding is passed along to the student also. Passion is infectious. Love of a subject matter inspires a person to learn more, dig deeper, and think harder about it. So, passion inspires deeper knowledge. The best teachers are those that clearly involve their subject and pass that passion and desire to learn more on their students. When the teacher not only has the right answers to a student's question but can expand the discussion with vivid examples, amusing illustrative results, and relevant facts. And when the teacher has a deep well of understanding, the expertise to draw on, then every lesson is enriched and every student might be inspired. The fourth quality is the ability to develop a strong relationship with the students. A good teacher does not only teach from the head. In the best classroom, heart is also involved as well. In order to create successful learning environments, great teachers need to be able to build caring relationships with their students. The best teachers are often the ones that care the most deeply, not only about their jobs but about every student they serve. It's not enough just to love the subject matter. Great teachers are also share a love of students. Caring about the students is what inspires teachers to reach out, do better, communicate more, ask, learn, refine, and improve. This is something that can't be taught, not even in the best schools. Now come to the next quality, and that is self-confidence. Self-confidence is necessary. Good educators have believed in their knowledge. They know well their subject matter, but teaching requires not only knowledge, it is a matter of talent, personal capacities. It depends on experiences of the teacher. Those who traveled have many experiences to share with their students. The teacher with social actions enter the classroom with great confidence. Great teachers inspire. This succeeds if they believe in themselves. They must also have transability. It is necessary to become comprehensible to students to attract their interest in lesson. Next quality is technological adequacy. Technology has become the part of education process now. Yet some teachers cannot use it in the classroom. There is a need to integrate new technologies into classroom. The benefit of technologies are very important. The computers make the lesson more interesting. It is enjoyable to the students also. Another characteristic that a teacher needs is friendliness and approachability because it is the teacher's job to help students learn. They must be easy to approach. Students will have questions that can't be answered if teacher is not friendly and easy to talk to. The crabby, unapproachable, mean, arrogant, rude, all business teacher can't be last longer. If two students think of their teacher as their enemy, they certainly won't learn much. The best teachers are the most open, welcoming, and easy to approach. Another characteristic is positive relationship with the students. The teacher gives not only knowledge, he helps children to have healthy mental development. Education is not only a learning process but also a psychic process. It's that is why a teacher is also playing a role of a psychologist. Alexander the Great said, "I am indebted to my father for living, but to my teacher for living well." Many studies have shown that a good teacher transmits not only knowledge, he also contributes to the future qualities of life. Great teachers bring happiness to their scholars. Be interesting is another characteristic. Being a teacher is very colorful job. A remarkable educator is engaging and holds the students' attention. The talented teachers recognize the games and jokes important inside the classroom conditions. The students enjoy the lesson when it's entertaining. Playful teaching techniques are always important for learning. Jokes, games, films, outdoor adventures, and educational tours can be benefited. Pleasure keeps students on their toes. The good teacher uses such innovations in the classroom. He inspires and motivates. Kids want him to be smiling, having humor, making a pleasant and not in a boring lesson. Preparation and organization skill is also very important for becoming a good teacher. Great teachers spend endless hours outside the classroom preparing, designing lessons, learning more, participating in professional development, and thinking of fresh and interesting ways to reach the students. The best teachers have excellent lesson plans, lectures, assignments that they continually improve. They structure their days, lessons, and units in a way that foster maximal understanding and interest. They collaborate with other teachers and attend classes and to learn more about the subject matter and how to best convey it. They are available outside the classroom also. They grade papers quickly, writing personal notes to help their students understand. Next characteristic is a strong work ethics. Teaching is one of the hardest job. The great teachers really want to be great teachers and they will stop at nothing to succeed. A great teacher will not do a great teacher will do almost anything to help their students. They always make time and they always willing to help. If something does not work, they will work untirelessly until they find a solution. A teacher's job is never done, but the best one never stop trying. They never quit. Another characteristic of a good teacher is the ability to build community. Sorry, please cut. The ability to build community. The best teacher understands the importance of building supportive and collaborative environment. The best teachers foster healthy, mutually respectful relation with the students. They know how to establish guidelines and assign roles to enlist every student's help and participation. Every student feel like they are not only accepted but by the larger group but their presence is necessary and very important in the classroom condition. and they are doing magic in the class. Their class are like little communities where each individual plays a very important role and feels at home. High expectations for all. A good teacher always keep their expectation high for the student. A teacher's expectation have a huge impact on students' achievement. The best teachers have high expectations for all of their students. Those expectations are both challenging as well as realistic. They know what each student is capable of individually and they strive to help each one attain their personal best. Being a role model. The children should admire their teacher. Teacher work like a second father or mother. They create a family atmosphere in the classroom. They observe children and understand them. They realize when someone has a problem and provide mental support and practical advice. The student learn to cooperate. They act like brothers and to help each other. They will hear and accept the other's idea also. They don't bully their colleagues into doing what they want. Some other characteristics that a teacher need is the personality, or you can say sense of humor and a good personality, flexibility, kindness, leadership, classroom management, a calm behavior, experiences, and ability to do multitasking work. A good teacher value real world learning also. So it is very important for a teacher to become an outstanding teacher, or you can say the qualities of a good teacher. We have discussed them. Uh, in next lecture, we will discuss another few topics related to education and B.Ed course. Thank you so much.